Domestic cars are drunk. I'd rather ditch my money than buy one. The domestic cars are copycat products. When do they make something original? I have bought here the latest domestic car, BYD Han and DMP, to slap those haters on the face. First, it's a 5-meter middle large car which cost 320,000. Listen up, 320,000 to take it at a standard 1 to 100 km per hour time in 3.7 seconds. Which joint venture middle large car has such a performance? Want to know how it's realized? There's a 1.5T front engine which may join the direct drive, plus a 160 kW front electric motor and a 200 kW back electric motor. So only its electric merge power of the 4WD is 380 kW. Not to mention the power of the 1.5T engine, you may spend 320,000 to experience the acceleration of a million level. You may say that it may speed up fast, but its endurance sucks. There's a big battery of 37.5 kilowatt hours, so its pure electric endurance is 202 kilometers theoretically. According to our test, its endurance with full electricity and gas is over 1,000 kilometers. Thanks to the electric control active suspension and the system of 4WD, there are no worries about the control. BYD call it the king system. The result shows that it deserved that. You always talk about copycat. This dragon face front is an original BYD product. How could it be a copycat one? Hop in. For the car of 320,000, for ventilated and heating seats, front memory seats, heating wheel, HUB, in audio, electric adjustable back seats, V2L alternating current of 2,200 watts. Its outside charging port also supports a V2L of 6,000 kilowatts. You can use 3 high-power induction cookers at the same time. It's sick. You may get all those things by spending 320,000. So still believing those haters' words? Follow me.